Can see the texture of the hair, very soft, smooth and silky.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time here, gorgeous, my name is Chelsea. You're welcome. In here I review wigs from different companies, okay? Any type of wig, that is what I review in this channel, and I try my best to install them the way that pleases me, okay? Thank you so much, gorgeous. If you like it here, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon? Thank you so much, I really appreciate. With all that being said, let's get into this hair review. Today's hair is from Lwigs. It came in this pack here, and there is a hairband that was added to it. And to my surprise, guys, wow, eyeshadow. Oh, they added this to it and a card. Thank you so much, Lwigs. If you're new to my channel, maybe you wouldn't have known this. I review wigs from Lwigs every month, okay? Each month I review their wigs. So today's wig is this wig in here, okay? That came with all these goodies, all these goodies came with this, especially this eyeshadow. Man, I'm in love with the colors. You see, they are so beautiful. You see the beautiful colors in here. It has shimmers, it has matte. Oh, you can go with dramatic eye, you can go with just simple eye look. Oh, it has everything, thank you so much. So when you order from them, they are going to include goodies to your order, okay? They are good in doing that. Anytime you purchase from their website, you must see a surprise package. It can be this eyeshadow, it can be eyelash, can be hairband, can be wig cap, anything. They will include them on your order. So if you like this wig that I want to install today, just dash to the description box. All the infos will be on the description box. All right, with all that being said, let's dash into this video. Let me show you guys the hair. So this is the wig. It's straight. This is it. Wow, black color. This is lovely. So the hairline of the wig, you can see it came pre-plucked. You can see they pluck it. That's one thing I like with them. They always pluck their hairline, okay? And inside bleached. See, they bleached the inside of the wig. And inside of the wig, you can see that there are some combs in here, and also inbuilt adjustable strap. And the hair, there is no tangle, there is no shedding, okay? So guys, this is it on. You can see this, so smooth, so soft. Wow. And it doesn't tangle. See this? Oh, silky. I really like the texture of this hair. Like I said, I just install my wigs in a very simple way. And one thing I do, I always install the wig the way it came, okay? I don't like doing much to the wig, so that you guys can see the real nature of the hair, okay? So I don't like manipulating, I don't like doing anything. I just review it the way I receive the hair. All right guys, so but if you want, you can coil this hair, you can change the color, you can dye it, you can do whatever you want if you buy yours. But I just like reviewing them raw like this, so that you guys can see how it looks, okay? So that is it. And I'm not going to glue the wig down. So let me cut the excess lace from it. So you can see the hairline, but if you like, you can twist it the more. So since I'm going to leave the hair in front, I don't need to twist that, and it's okay. If you're a beginner, you can just leave it like this, okay? See, even when the hair is over twist, doesn't look natural. That's one thing too. So let's cut the excess lace. As you can see, I did not glue it down. You see it? You see this? I did not glue it down. So you can do the same, or you glue yours down. If you want to bring out baby hair, you do that. You can see the texture of the hair, very soft, smooth and silky, and there's no shedding. See, as I'm combing, brushing it, it brushes so easily. You can see this.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before.
So guys, that is it. I will leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. It's from Lwigs. And gorgeous, please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Mwah.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby?